Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a general care on your wig, or how to revamp or revive your old wigs. Not really, yeah, old wig kind of. So I'm going to start by showing you, let me show you guys how this wig is. So I'm going to start by wearing it on the dummy head, like so. I'm just going to hold it by the cap, not by the hair, then pull to the front. So next I'm going to pin it down just so it doesn't move. We're going to start by detangling the hair because it's so tangled underneath. I'm going to detangle it. But I'm just going to start by sectioning the hair. And see how dry the hair is looking. It's so dry. Let's see. Okay, now the water is warm. It's no longer hot. Allow this to cool down a bit so it's warm. So I'm going to be using this shampoo from Tresemme. Deep cleansing for radiant shine. Cleanse and replenish with multivitamin. Deep cleansing for all hair types. So I'm just going to pour a little of it, not so much. Yeah, I think that much. Let me see how. Okay, I think I need a little more. Oops, that's too much. So I'm going to dip the hair into the water and allow it to soak for like 5-10 minutes before I come back to it. So I'll be back. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do so. Like this video also, and also comment how you revamp your hair. Okay, it's been 20 minutes now, so I'm gonna wash it out, then rinse it. I'm just gonna dip it, open inside, spray it just like so, so the hair doesn't get too tangled, just so I don't rough up the hairs. I don't want the hair to be too rough, so I'm just gonna dip. Let me push this out of the way. So it's a closure wig, so I'm just gonna like so that I could take out all the makeup I've applied there. haven't subscribed yet to my channel, do so, like this video, and comment down below if you like the video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.